Hello, we are here at the Ritz-Carlton at Crypto306, and it is such a pleasure to have here with me Vins Lai. Vince is the founder and portfolio manager of DeFITs Capital, the co-founder and chief architect of TONLEND and TONKEY, and also the co-founder of and the CEO of TPay. Thank you so much for being here with us today. So tell me, what is the key of making top 1% on Bloomberg as the portfolio manager of crypto hedge fund?
Yeah. So if you are trying to look into the crypto market, actually, the essence of it is infinite gain. And the key gain rule of infinite gain is all about survival. Yeah, as you can see, lots of shit happened last year. Yeah, it is all about survival.
Yeah.
So our investment mandate, the first rule is all about risk management. And to do a proper risk management, you have to collect lots of information and lots of data. And in crypto world, you can see it's very hard to actually identify the fact and the point of views. Yeah, you can hear lots of KOL, spreading rumors, sharing their point of view, but only one fact, which is data. And on-chain data is actually the key stuff that everyone may have access to, but how to do the data mining, how to dig into it, how to really make some precise prediction in the near future is definitely the key.
Interesting. Okay, crypto assets market cap is still less than 1% comparing to traditional asset class. What's the key bottleneck for crypto towards mass adoption?
Here's a very interesting question. The key is that if you look into all the developers, all the founders in Web3, very few of them really have the Web2 expertise. Very few people really know how the bank do the settlement with each wallet, and very few people really know how to get everything licensed, and then how to communicate with regulators, how to do the proper KYC, AML standard. So I think the key is that if you really wanna connect all the amazing innovations in Web3 into majority of people, right now they are still in Web2, that you have to really combine the expertise from both ends. The Web2, the finance, the regulations, and also the technology skill sets and all the key architectural steps. Combine the two worlds so that you will be able to really deliver a very useful product for majority of people to onboard on it.
Wow. Okay, what is the vision of TPay and how TPay could serve as the bridge between traditional world and Web3 worlds?
So echo to my former question. That's actually TPay's goal is to become the biggest settlement center between fiat and crypto. Right now, lots of companies and Web3 exchanges and payments and basically all the projects, they all have a really difficult question to solve, which is how do we actually connect with the payment? How do we really onboard people that they will be able to easily buy the NFT with cash or even credit card or bank account balance? This is really, so far as we see, the most difficult problem to solve. If any project wanna have access to majority user, which a lot of them might have very little knowledge about blockchain technology, how to use MetaMask, and then how to buy cryptos. So this is the goal and the key question that TPay try to solve with basically to become the key settlement supplier for almost all the Web3 projects.
Amazing. We know your tech team is the senior builders on Ethereum ecosystem since 2016 that participated in building several great projects. What makes you decide to build on TON, the open network, instead?
So we have been building a lot of stuff on Ethereum. And right now, like we identify the question is that it's a very simple numbers. That if you look into your screen time, what's the app you spend most of the time on? It might not be Binance, it might not be MetaMask. It is always like Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, social media platforms. Yeah, because in our thesis, social is actually the key fundamental layer of human nature. Therefore, that's Tong, is a very promising and then very secure, and then all the infrastructure are very solid. And also, the best part is that they are a bit based on Telegram. They have several projects collaborating with Telegram, so which allows them to easily bring in users from Telegram, which is close to 1 billion. That this number is actually a lot more than the majority of the projects. And also, like Telegram released the wallet. It's a Telegram-based wallet that allows people to transfer money to any Telegram contacts. We really believe that this is gonna be something that changed everything. Because if you look back into the internet history, how China suddenly become the mass adoption of internet. It's the killer app called WeChat. Basically, WeChat can process almost everything in an individual's daily life. And we really think that in Web3, if you want to use this chain, you have to download these wallets. If you want to play this game file, you have to download that app. This is a very painful user experience. Therefore, we really think Telegram and Tong blockchain has a great opportunity of becoming the killer app in Web3 spaces that will be able to actually provide all kinds of service that an individual needs in everyday life.
Wow, interesting. Wow. Okay, what's your long-term vision about how blockchain technology could make majority populations' lives become better? And which industry do you think is the perfect use case of adopting blockchain technology?
So probably I will say there's 3 key industries. The first is definitely payment. If you look into the spread in every airport, if you try to do money exchange, and also for UAE, there's a lot of international workers here. If they try to send their money back to their country, you can see the process is quite long and take a lot of time, and the frictions are so high. It's a very horrible user experience that current world have. Therefore, this is definitely the key problem that blockchain technology make all sense to solve. I can easily transfer any amount of Ethereum to anyone.
In such an easier way.
And the second one should be content creation. If you look into the Web2 platforms like Instagram and YouTube, actually the essence of this social platform is the audience and the content creator. However, these Web2 gigantic companies, they took the majority of profit into their pockets. And all they did is actually just provide the platform. However, all the value and then all the contents and all the revenue are actually created only by audience and content creator. So if there will be a very good and then good user experience, metaverse, stuff like this, be like what's happened in the movie Ready Player One, then definitely this is gonna be something that could make lots of people's experience a lot better than existing platforms. And the third one, I would say it could be ESG related topics. If you look into the carbon trading, it's definitely Euro is quite bullish on it, and also that carbons and stuff like that is actually something that is just a key account balance sheet. that it also makes all sense that you will be able to trade it on blockchain.
Wow, this is very interesting. It's so exciting. Thank you so much, Vince, for being with us today. It was such a pleasure to have you, and we wish you all the good luck.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.